Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect way of taking photos up close. So we all started using our cell phones. That has kind of become our cameras nowadays. And if you're looking to take more DSL quality up close micro shots, I've got the perfect product for you. So this was sent over by a company called APEXEL, and this is their HB100 Ultra Micro Lens. It's going to come in this little box right here. Naturally, you're going to get a little user manual. It tells you about it. We're covering all the features right here in the video. Now you're getting a nice little kind of hard case here that's going to have a little pouch with a cleansing cloth and then a little foam spot here for your lens in the little phone mount. So first off, here is the phone mount. Very, very easy to utilize. There is a little screw on the back. Simply undo that, and that's going to allow you to adjust your thickness here of putting this on your phone. It's got a little clamp and everything. Now on the little part here, this also adjusts to your phone. So you can slide this depending on where your camera lens, because this is obviously universal. And then right there in the center, that is where you're gonna screw on the lens. So let's go over the lens itself. So as you can see, here it is. On the back side, this little mini part, this is where you are going to go ahead and screw on the back of your little mount. And then on the front side is where you're gonna have the big lens itself. So this is a 5-element optical glass lens. It does have a fixed aperture at 1.05. And your focal distance is going to be anywhere between 5 to 110 millimeters. Like I said, this is designed for taking photos of bugs, insects, jewelry, flowers, anything up close and micro that you want a lot of detail of. Now, this is a standard 52 millimeter thread. So if you do have 52 millimeter kind of lenses or attachments, like let's say you have LED lighting or a filter that you want to put on, you can do that. It does have the thread for 52 millimeters. The housing of this is all made out of an aircraft aluminum, so it's nice and tough and hardy, which is great. However, this is nice and light. So like I said, if you are traveling or whatnot and you're wanting to carry this around, it doesn't weigh a ton. It's easy to bring, it's easy to throw in a pocket or anything like that, and not weighs you down. As far as the image quality, it does a great job. Obviously, it's also going to depend on how good your phone is, but it does a great job with magnification of it and with low distortion, which I like. But overall, if you are looking for a great way to go ahead and take some super awesome micro photos, this one's worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.